Hello everyone. This is a tutorial for the JSTOR database found at San Jose State King Library. This tutorial is going to be a little bit more advanced than my first one. It's going to give you a little bit more information on the different features that you can find using JSTOR. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the search box here. And for this example, I'm going to go ahead and select street art. In Los Angeles. Then you can either click enter or just click the magnifying glass. And one of the first things that I'm going to point out is that there's over 70,000 search results. And the first one here on this page is just showing me the first 25 of those. So that's quite a bit of search results to look for. So what I'm going to do is limit some of these. And if you go to the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see refine results. So these are some of the features that JSTOR has to narrowing down your search for things that might be more relevant for the paper or project that you might have. For this, I'm going to go ahead and select journals. And it's telling me that there's 65,000. That's still quite a bit. So I want to narrow that even a little bit more. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and under publication date, I'm going to go ahead and enter a year, some years here to narrow my search. And I want the most recent. So I'm going to enter 2010 and 2019. And I'm going to hit apply. So you can see now that it has now been reduced to 6,000, a little bit over 6,000. But that's still quite a few to go through. So I'm going to go down under the subject area here. And I'm going to select art and history. So I want to know more about the graffiti art in LA and art and history in regards to the graffiti. So now you see that I have 895 search results. So I'm going to scroll down, and since I've selected for them just to be journals, these are journal articles, as you can see. And as I scroll down, I'm just going to look and see which one I would like to select. I'm going to go ahead and select Preserving Street Art, Uncovering the Challenges and Obstacles. So I'm going to click on that. And it takes me directly to the article that I just selected. So you can read through it here. You'll notice that there's 16 pages in this article. And I decided to go ahead and download that article. So I'm going to go ahead and click download, accept its terms. And I'm going to save that on my desktop. And I'm just going to start typing part of that title, just so I'll remember what article I had chosen. I'm just going to click save. So that's already been downloaded to my desktop so I can have access to this. So another feature that I want to share with you is if I scroll down here, and for this paper assignment that I'm working on, I wanted the citation for this item. So when I click on the left-hand side of the screen here under Cite this item, when I click on it, it gives me the different options of how to cite this article. So the first choice is MLA, APA, Chicago style. I'm going to go ahead and select the APA. So you can just click copy, and it'll copy it to your clipboard. Or you can also just highlight it and copy that. So that's how you cite an item. However, I do recommend that before you submit your paper, that you always check the citations. I hope you found this video tutorial using JSTOR helpful. If you need more assistance with your research, you can contact me at rosa.conrad@sjsu.edu.